Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. So I have Ellowyne and Neema here. I switched out their outfits that they were both wearing in a previous video. Just taking a little break. I thought I'd do some doll outfit changing because I'm totally rearranging the dolly room. I'll give you a quick little snippet of the disaster area that is around me right now. I have this pile of stuff that has to go somewhere. Not sure where. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. I'm doing some reorganizing here. Move some dollies over here from the dolly shelf. Yeah. It's a mess. It's a mess. I'm moving things around. And yeah. This shelf is Christmassy. I still have to change their clothes out. But I had a desk in here. It was my jewelry making desk. It was across from my sewing desk over here. This is like a sewing cabinet. It was actually right here where this bookshelf sat. And then I thought, you know what? I keep just putting crap over here. And I needed really just more storage for doll stuff. So I found space in my home office for that little desk. And yeah. So to take a break, I decided to change out the clothes on these two gals. And they look so pretty. And I want to remind everybody, I know that sometimes the boxes sell out, okay, over a virtual doll convention. But this outfit here, it came in again and then it went again. So if you miss out on a box when it comes out, you know, typically she has a subscription box, right? And you can join the yearly subscription. But she also usually has an assortment of extra boxes for that month's subscription that you can purchase if you don't want to do it every single month, but you've got to do it really fast. Those will sell out fairly quickly. And then, like I said in my previous video, if you keep checking the site, sometimes stuff comes back. And I know Dory's Dollies mentioned that this came back and then it sold out. So, you know, keep a lookout on the Neema and Ellowyne Boutique on Virtual Doll Convention's website. And of course, you know, keep an eye on your dolly folks over here on YouTube, because when we see stuff coming back, not only on that site, but other places, you know, if we see something that we've gotten and then it comes back after it's sold out, we let you guys know. All right. But I love how this looks on Neema. She is such a really pretty doll. Really, really happy with her. Still have the wig on because I just think it looks so good. And then this is, I believe it's Romantic Possibilities. I love her face. She's not considered tan, but she has a different, like a little, like, it's like her skin kind of glows a little bit. So to me, she feels like, I don't know, it feels like a tan to me. And I'm getting the boots on, pop these boots on, no problemo. I don't know what my problem was when I first, you know, got them out of the box. I think I was just racing, trying to get things filmed and edited and all that good stuff. But anyway, thought I'd do a quick little video and share my disaster area with you and my super cute dollies. Love these gals. Working on their shelf too and getting everything organized in here. Let me know in the comments down below, are you getting reorganized in 2025? If you have any tips, I'm open to them. All right. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by and spending a few minutes with me in the doll room. As usual, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.